Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to solve 36 divided 18 divided 6 divided 3. So let's start with today's video solution. So this looks simple, but still many people fail to solve because they take a wrong approach. What they do, 36 divided by 18 divided 6 divided by 3 as 2 divided by 2, which is equals to 1, which is a wrong answer and wrong approach. Yes, you heard it right. When same operation repeating, that is division, 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 then always solve from left to right. So let's rewrite 36 divided by 18 divided by 6 divided by 3. So it's 36 divided by 18 divided by 6 divided by 3. So it's 2 divided by 6 divided by 3. So left to right, it's 2 divided by 6 divided by 3. So it's 1 by 3 divided by 3. Now we'll remove this multiplication sign and convert into multiplication, division to multiplication, and do the reciprocal of right hand side. So our final answer is 1 by 9, not 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.